All right, good day, everyone. My name is Mr. Orimolade, but people call me Mr. Matt. All right, what I have for you today is product rule. That is another rule we can use to solve differentiation. Product rule indicates when two functions are multiplied. When two functions are multiplied, that is, if y equals to uv, where u and v are separate functions. So the product rule states that the y dx equals to u dv dx plus u dv dx plus v du dx. Take note of this. The y dx of the function of this y equals to uv, the y dx equals to u dv dx plus v du dx. Let's take a look at a few examples. All right, let's look at example 1. Differentiate y equals to open bracket 3x squared plus 1 close bracket open bracket 2x plus 1 close bracket. All right, don't forget we are using the product rule. Now the first thing you need to do is to represent. You say let u equals to this, that is 3x squared plus 1, and v be 2x plus 1. All right, don't forget we have two functions, this and this. Let this be u and let this function be v. Don't forget we need to differentiate the first one first, where we have the u, the x. We are differentiating with respect of x. For du dx, it will be 3 multiplied by 2. You have what? You have the x raised to the power 2 minus 1. We are not dealing with this constant. Therefore, the u dx equals to 3 times 2. You have 6 raised to the power 1. You can leave it like this. All right, and let's take our v, which is equals to 2x plus 1. All right, therefore the v dx will be 2. All right, and the product rule states that the y dx equals u dv dx plus v du dx. All right, what is our u? The initial u, we have 3x squared plus 1. Right, put it in bracket. So what is our dv dx? Dv dx, which is what? 2. That is multiplied by 2. Plus, what is our v? Our v is this, 2x plus 1. We have 2x plus 1. That is our v. So what is our du? Du dv, du dx. Du dx is 6x. Therefore, multiply it by 6x. All right, therefore you have for the y dx equals to 2 open bracket 3x squared plus 1, and we have 6x 2x plus 1. At this stage, you can simplify. 2 times 3, you have 6x squared plus 2 plus 2 times 1, I give you 2. 6x times this, you have 6 times 2, 6 times 2, 12. That is 12x squared. 6x multiplied by 1, add it plus 6x. Therefore, the y, the x, equals, you have 6x squared plus 12x squared. That is 18x squared. Alright? Plus 6 and plus 2. That's your final answer. Alright, let's look at another example. Alright, let's look at this second example. Differentiate y equals to root x, open bracket, 1 plus 2x, close bracket, raised to power 2, that is 2. Alright, how do we do this? We follow the same method. You say let u equals to this, root x, and our v equals to 1 plus 2x power 2. Alright, don't forget this one has the power 2. How do we differentiate this? Therefore, the y, how do we differentiate this? The u, the x. Sorry, the u, the x of this. Don't forget, this is the same thing as this. X raised to power 1 over 2. That is this, same thing as u, same thing as x, 1 over 2. Using the law of indices. Therefore, the u, the x here, equals to 1 over 2 x minus half. That is minus 1. Half minus 1 is minus half. Therefore, this will become 1, 2, so x. X. Now, let's look at v. If you look at v plus 2x squared. Now, v has a power. How do we do this? We apply the chain rule here. Chain rule, apply. Chain rule. Alright, you can say let t equals to this 1 plus 2x. Alright, and v equals to t square with this power, t square. You differentiate the t with respect to x, and you differentiate the v with respect to t. Alright, now the t, the x, equals to, we're dealing with x, it is 2. Alright, and the v, the t, alright, will be 2t. 2t minus 1, you have a t. So therefore, to get your dv, the x will be the t divided by the x multiplied by the v, the t. Therefore, what is our dt dx? Dt dx, which is 2, multiplied by what is dv dt? Dv dt is 2t, which is equals to 4t. Therefore, our dv the x here equals to 4. What is our t? From the question, we represent our t as what? 1 plus 2x. So therefore, the t will be 1 plus 2x. Now, we cannot apply the product rule now, since we've gotten our dv dx and also our du the x. You know, the y the x now, our the y the x, which is u dv the x plus v du the x. All right, now we are going to apply this, the u. What is our u? The initial u from the question. From our u, this u is the root of x. All right, and dv the x, our dv the x is this. Our v from the given question, v is this, and du the x is this. We are going to apply that now. All right, therefore our the y the x, according to product rule, which is u the v the x plus v the u the x. What is our initial u? Our u is sod x dv the x, dv the x, dv the x, which is 4. These are dv the x, dv the x 4 open bracket, that is multiplied by 1 plus 2x plus, what is our v? Our v, which is this, 1 plus 2x to the power 2 multiply by du dx. Don't forget that our initial du dx, our du dx is 1 divided by 2 sod x. Then we simplify this. I did the y the x equals 4 sod x open bracket 1 plus 2x plus, now at this moment we can multiply this, all right, as 1 plus 2x is half 1 over 2 over sod x. Mathematics is as simple as ABC and sweet as bread and tea. So we can leave our answer like this. It is very simple. Let me give you a few questions you can practice at home. All right, you can practice the question on the board at home. Differentiate the following functions. 1, y equals to open bracket 2x plus 3 close bracket open bracket 4x squared minus 1 close bracket square. Number 2, y equals to open bracket 1 plus x close bracket open bracket x minus 2 close bracket power 3 divided by 2. All right, this is where we're going to stop today. All right, see you some other time. Thank you. I remain Mr. Matt. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.